peanut butter squares, which I have a recipe over on my blog. I am making double recipe. So for double recipe, you need 1 cup of butter, half a cup of peanut butter, 3 cups of icing sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 4 cups of ground up either arrowroot cookies, graham crackers, or any other ground up cookie type of thing that you have. So I'm going to start with creaming my butter first and the peanut butter and sugar all together. And then once you are done, for the topping, you will need 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1 cup of 2 cups of chocolate chips and 1 cup of peanut butter, but we'll get to that in a minute. So first I'm going to cream the first amount of peanut butter and sugar with some butter. You want a butter to be somewhat of a room temperature. And then after that has creamed together, I will be mixing in the egg and vanilla, followed by the crumbs, cookie crumbs. Once that is finished, I'm just going to scrape all the batter off the little paddle, and then I'm going to prep my baking sheets. I'm actually using the taller one. They're more like lasagna pans, just because I want a little bit of thickness in the bars. And I'm going to press them into this. Now this is a little bit tricky. You can really roll it out. You can really press it out. You just kind of have to work with it. I tried rolling it out, which didn't work. Then I used extra parchment paper on top just to push it into the corners, and that works somewhat. What I should have done is use my rolling pin over top of the parchment paper. I think that probably would have worked the best. Then I'm going to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit, a preheated oven, for 15 to 20 minutes until an inserted wooden uh, toothpick comes out clean. And while that is baking, I am going to melt my chocolate chips and second amount of peanut butter in a small saucepan. And then once that is all melted and combined, I will be spread it over top of the baked squares, and then I'm going to cool the whole thing in a fridge. Here they are all finished. They are so delicious and a huge hit with my family. They have a bit of a chewy consistency, which we like. They do get softer in over time. So when they first come out, they're a little bit more harder, but then they get softer in the fridge. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.